Hello friends, hope you're doing great today. So today I would be discussing about what exactly a model driven app is. So model driven app has been around us since the inception of Dynamics customer engagement. Our traditional modules, which included of sales, service and marketing, are the next generation model driven app. As a developer or as for our understanding, you can say it like the renaming of your module, the word module to model driven. So the things exactly remains the same, the way you have been working on these modules in past. Only the thing is the designing of these components or the designing of the look and feel of the modules has become much more easier for you, and you need not to have a coding background for it. But definitely for implementing your logics, you are still dependent upon the plugins, the actions, the workflows, business rules, JavaScripts, and the next generation solution including the Power Automate. So if you log into your customer engagement, Dynamics customer engagement, you will see there are multiple modules or multiple apps which are present, and these are all your model driven apps. The reason they are being called as a model driven app because the design and the implementation of these app can be now more specific to your business requirements and business users. You can design the things, the navigation, the views which would be available, or the forms which would be available to the user for access. All these developments are specific or are component based development. The designing part you cannot control. You can simply drag and drop the components in here, and this would be the layout which would be developed by the Dynamics itself. And these ribbons, all the things remains the same the way we used to work in the past. Now definitely, so as to start with the development of a model driven app or the implementation of it, we need to have a necessary license of Dynamics 365 products, which could include your customer engagement, finance or operations, and definitely the required roles and permissions in Dataverse. Dataverse is nothing but your data storage wherein we would be processing our data, procuring it for undertaking multiple business requirements. You can access your Dataverse from your make.powerapps portal, and there in data tab, and we can create the tables, the choices, the data flow, etc. Now once the prerequisites are completed, now definitely for implementing a model driven app, we need to create first, that is the model. The model is your data, which includes creation of your new tables, columns, relationships, etc. among them, so that the data can be integrated or can flow from one table to other table as per the business requirement. Modeling of data has been completed. Then as per the business requirement, we need to design the business process, like in our sales module, wherein we create a lead, and that lead is converted to your contact, account or opportunity. So that is a small example of a business process. And the third and the most important part is composing an app or designing your model driven app by using the components whichever are needed for your business implementation. And the same components we would be covering in our next sessions, like how to design an app. So once the app model driven app has been created, definitely we need to share it with other users, or we need to deploy it to the higher environments. And for the same, we have different scenarios, like whether we want to share the app among the people in the same organization or the same instance, then we can share the app. Then we need to define the security rules for them. Or if we want to deploy it to a higher environment, let's say I developed it over a developed environment, and now I want to move it to my UAT, SIT or production, then we need to take the conventional deployment cycles, wherein we would be adding these components, the components of your model driven app, to a solution which would be exported out and then would be imported to a higher environment. That's all for the day. Thanks. Have a great day.